What's up, my stylish pearls? Welcome back to my channel. And if you guys would like to see how I achieved this look and applied my full lace wig unit, continue watching the video and don't forget to subscribe and like the video down below. So yeah, jumping right to the video, you guys. I've already freeze applied the stocking cap, so I'm just going to cut off that excess lace around the stocking cap. And you want to make sure you guys do this part, take your time, because you want to make sure that it dries all the way. And you guys have seen me did this step, and I'm sure you guys have seen so many people do it, but I'm taking the Got To Be gel and I'm just going to apply a small amount of that just to make sure my cap is laying down pretty flat when I get ready to apply my wig. So I'm just going to apply that around the perimeter, the edges of my hair, and cut off that excess lace that I don't need or I don't want seeking out. So the boring part, yeah, you guys, I'm going to be taking my blow dryer and I'm just going to dry it. And this is the full lace unit that I will be using, you guys. This is the loose wave Amani wig unit. Yeah, this wig is also from my wig collection, you guys. Make sure you shop stylish Kane units on Instagram. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys the wig. The wig have pretty much 4 combs and adjustable straps. So I'm just going to apply it on my head just to see where I want it. Make sure everything fits, which I already knew that it did. And I'm just going to see how the wig is going to look, just making sure everything is intact and where I want it before I go to applying my glue and, well, not my glue, but my gel. So I'm just going to be taking the Got To Be gel and I'm just going to continue to apply a thick layer going around the perimeter of my head. And I'm taking the blow dryer on cool settings to dry this gel. You want to make sure that it's very tacky when you're doing a glueless wig. So yeah, I'm just going to continue to dry that until, you know, it gets dry all the way, you guys. So once I do that, I'm just going to take the wig and go ahead and apply it right above that stocking cap on my head. And I'm just going to, you know, just play around with it, trying to see where I want it. You want to make sure you be careful with this, you guys. You don't want it to dry in the wrong spot. So I'm just moving it as quick as I possibly can before it, you know, start to stick and I can't move it anymore. So yeah, I'm just going to make sure that everything's in the exact spot, in the exact place. And I'm going to be taking my scissors and I'm going to start cutting that excess lace off. You want to make sure you take your time doing this, you guys. You don't have to rush. You want your lace to be laid correctly and neatly. So I advise everyone to take their time when doing this step. It is not hard. You just have to really take your time when you're doing it. So yeah, you guys, I'm just going to make sure that, you know, it's sticking, and I'm gonna take the dryer and I'm gonna dry it on cool settings as I go, like as I move along the hairline, and taking the end of the rat tail comb just to make sure that all of the glue, not the glue, but the gel is, you know, tacking on and it's staying in place, you guys, because it's a little bit of work when you're doing the Got To Be gel. It doesn't like stick as quick as using the adhesive. So I'm just pretty much gonna do the same thing on both sides. We're starting off around the ear area and I'm gonna dry that as well. And once I get it, you know, as you guys can see, it's laying down nice and neat. Like I said, you want to make sure you use the dryer at the same time while you're doing this, you guys. So yeah, I'm just going to continue doing the steps. I'm going to continue cutting off that excess lace. And yeah, you guys continue watching the video. to go ahead and use the freeze spray just to give me a little bit more security on the lace, you guys. If you tend to sweat a little bit more, you want to make sure you have your wig intact. So I like to go in and use my freeze spray just to give me that extra, you know, control, that extra hold with my unit. So yeah. Taking a little bit of my setting lotion to lay down my edges, making sure my edges are laid down nice and flat, you guys. So yeah, I'm just going to play around with my edges, trying to see. I did want to do baby hairs, but not too much. I didn't want to do too much on it. So yeah, I'm just now going to just tie it up, just so that everything can dry and everything can be nice and sealed. And you know, we want a nice full lace wig unit laid down, so I'm just going to double tie it just to make sure everything's dries. And this is the hair, you guys. I am done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to shop my wig unit, Stylish Kane unit, on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.